여기 클래식 음악을 좋아하는 두 남녀가 있습니다. 그리고 이들의 운명은 아무도 예상하지 못한 곳으로 흘러가게 됩니다.
You looking for someone?
Fuck, no. Sorry.
해나는 브라이어 대학에 진학 중인 3학년입니다. 그리고 같은 학년에는 학교 최고의 인기남인 게릿도 있었죠.
Perfect. Another D.
So, how'd you do?
Not good.
Girl. Really?
Yeah, I wrote in like an hour or so.
Fucking hell, you aced it? But I knew it. Show me.
Do you mind?
What? Only you get to look at things you shouldn't?
해나는 시험이 어렵기로 유명한 수업에서 유일하게 A+를 받습니다. 그리고 잠시 뒤 대화조차 해볼 일 없던 스포츠 스타가 해나에게 말을 걸어옵니다.
Hey, Mona.
Who's Mona?
I think you.
I'm not Mona.
It is an M, though, right?
해나의 이름조차 기억 못하는 게릿. 하지만 지금 그에겐 해나가 꼭 필요합니다.
So, I failed that paper.
Sounds like a lot of people did.
And I was thinking it'd be great if I didn't fail again. So.
방금 전 수업에서 낙제를 받아 다음 발표 때 좋은 점수를 받지 못하면 경기에 나갈 수 없다는 게릿.
Come on. Do me a solid. I mean, you kind of owe me for that sneak peek.
Hey, that was an honest mistake.
Was it? I mean, tons of girls would have paid good money for the view you got, so.
Okay, I'm scarred for life. If anything, you owe me.
하지만 해나는 너무 바쁜 삶을 살고 있어 게릿을 챙겨줄 정신적인 여유가 없었습니다.
Find another tutor, dude.
해나는 부모님의 도움 없이 장학금으로 학비를 내고 스스로 생활비까지 벌고 있습니다. 집이 가난한 건 아니지만 무슨 일인지 그녀는 이 모든 걸 스스로 해내려는 집착에 가까운 모습을 보이죠. 그러던 어느 날
It's your scholarship. It's not happening this year.
What?
Budget cuts, don't even get me started.
No, we're 3 weeks into the semester. How can... No, they can't. No.
예산이 깎여 해나의 전공에서는 더 이상 장학금이 없다는 교수님.
Is there another scholarship I could apply for?
Another classical composition scholarship?
I could switch concentrations. Performance?
그때 자작곡 노래로 참가하는 팝 쇼케이스 팸플릿을 보고 자신도 여기에 참가해 장학금을 타겠다는 해나.
Famous last words, because the competition, it's pretty steep.
No,
Hannah.
I can do this. I will do this.
Okay. Bring some ideas into class. We'll talk.
Okay.
Hey, what's up, bud? Hey.
전설적인 NHL 선수를 아버지로 두고 있는 게리. 그는 이렇게 넓은 저택에서 하키팀 3명의 친구들과 합숙을 하고 있죠.
What are we listening to? There we go.
전미 최고의 유망주의자 하키팀 주장인 게리.
Hey, can you play something from this millennium, please? This is a classic.
하지만 그의 취향은 조금 유별납니다.
Would not have pegged you for an oldies guy.
Kendall?
하키팀 선수들은 인기가 많아 모두가 부러워합니다. 그래서 이들과 하룻밤을 원하며 달려드는 여성들을 퍽반이란 안 좋은 별명으로 부릅니다.
Brought your refill.
One's my max. Night before a game.
Are you also strict about non-alcoholic kinds of fun?
Like what?
so into you, I can barely breathe.
한편 해나는 멀런스에서 알바를 하며 동급생이자 밴드 보컬인 저스틴을 넋놓고 바라봅니다.
So for your pop showcase tour de force, are we feeling folklore vibes or mayhem?
I don't know. I feel like I'm more of a Taylor than a GoPro.
You haven't fallen in love enough times to be a Taylor.
엘리는 해나의 룸메이트입니다. 그녀는 해나가 오랫동안 저스틴을 짝사랑하는 걸 보았기에 그녀의 고백으로 사랑이 이루어지든 그렇지 않든 그녀가 준비 중인 노래에 도움이 될 거라고 말합니다.
So, be a Taylor and do something about it. I've missed you.
캔들은 오랜만에 게릿과 밤을 보내지만 게릿은 그녀에게 별다른 감정을 느끼지 않는 것으로 보입니다.
Did you miss me?
게릿은 프로가 되기 전까지는 여자에 빠져 있을 수는 없다며 자신은 절대로 진지하게 여자를 만나지 않을 거라고 말합니다.
Like I said before, all I can offer is casual.
Yeah, well, I don't want that anymore. Okay, I want to be your girlfriend.
Why?
게릿은 그녀가 자신에 대해 얼마나 아는지 물어봅니다.
What's my favorite band? My major. How do I like my coffee? What's my mother's name?
게릿이란 사람이 아닌 외모와 화려한 명성에 빠진 거라고 팩트를 날리는 게릿.
But either way, you deserve better.
Fuck you, Garrett.
Yeah, fuck me.
다음 날
Is your dad?
Yeah. Yeah, he's got a new girlfriend, wants me to meet her.
That's inevitable, right? Look, I know he can be a dick.
No, he's more than a dick.
Okay. But he's still your dad.
로건은 게릿의 가장 친한 친구입니다. 하지만 게릿과 다르게 집안이 좋지 않아 후원과 장학금이 없으면 이런 비싼 사립대학은 꿈도 꿀 수 없죠.
Your dad was great. Everybody knows it. But no one is expecting you to be him.
He is.
All our parents have expectations, G. Shit, I'd kill for my dad to even be into hockey, let alone a damn legend. Alright? But we're not doing this for them. We're doing this because we love it. Right?
Yeah.
아들에 대한 기대와 압박이 심한 걸까요? 아니면 다른 사연이 있는 걸까요? 아버지를 떠올리는 게릿의 표정이 뭔가 불안해 보입니다.
There you are. Sorry, Bella.
오늘도 알바를 하는 해나의 눈에 여자들과 즐겁게 웃고 있는 게릿이 보입니다. 그런데
Hello?
그녀가 좋아하는 저스틴과 우연히 마주치게 됩니다.
Your band is really good.
Yeah, thanks.
I'm not like a creepy soccer fan or anything. I work here, so I've heard you.
Figured. The uniform?
Right. I carried a watermelon.
What?
Dirty Dancing. Jennifer Grey's this really awkward moment with Patrick Swayze when Sorry, never mind. Yeah, obviously I work here.
Look, I'm kind of in a rush. Can I?
Oh my god, yeah. Yeah, sorry.
Thank you.
괜히 이상한 소리를 해서 완전히 망쳐버린 해나.
I carried a watermelon.
Anyone ever tell you that eavesdropping is rude?
Did anyone ever tell you that your references are dated?
It's a classic.
게릿은 해나에게 중요한 조언을 해줍니다.
You know, you shouldn't fawn over him.
What?
That guy, you're too available.
Like the girls throwing themselves at you over there.
That's a different scenario. I don't do girlfriends, they know that.
Okay, well, congratulations, Casanova. But I don't need your help. Refill?
What if I paid you
To take your dating advice.
to tutor me, nerd?
You could just ask my name.
Usually, girls just tell me. Come on, I'll pay you anything. You're the only one who got an A on that paper.
So?
So, I need to play.
Why? Because you get off on beating people up?
What?
Hockey is the only non-combat sport that doesn't eject its players for fighting. It celebrates it. When a team is down and points, an actual strategy is to pick a fight for morale. Sorry, I'm sure you're not a bad guy. don't like hockey.
Yeah.
하키가 싫다는 해나. 단순히 폭력적인 스포츠라서가 아닌 말 못할 사연이 있는 것 같습니다.
He said that?
You know, Garrett doesn't do the girlfriend thing.
He also doesn't do the repeat hookups thing. You've been hooking up since summer.
Whatever, good riddance. And honestly, he's playing like shit.
Yo, Graham's playing like shit.
I told you they're fucking losers. Let's hope they keep at it. We'll destroy them.
Hell yeah. Let me get some of that, Delaney.
Got you, bro.
해나는 딜레인이라는 남성을 보자 갑자기 패닉에 빠집니다. 해나는 클래식 음악에 맞춰 직접 피아노로 연주하고 노래를 합니다. 그리고 이 모습을 말없이 바라보고 있는 게리. 빙판으로 돌아가 시합을 계속합니다. 그런데 완전히 달라진 모습을 보여줍니다. 냉정함을 되찾은 게릿의 활약으로 경기를 승리하게 된 브라이어 대학. 그리고 게릿의 아버지 폴은 새로운 애인과 말없이 경기장을 떠납니다. 친구들은 저스틴이 혼자 있는 걸 발견하고 해나와 연결을 시켜주려고 합니다.
Well, now you have to go over there.
친구들은 등을 떠밀지만 이전에 이상한 소리를 해서 괜히 부끄러운 해나. 하지만 용기를 내어 봅니다.
Fine, but can we dance? Hell yeah, we can.
게릿도 파티장에 있었습니다. 그런데 한참 동안 무엇인가를 계속 찾고 있었죠.
The waitress from Milan's, what's her name?
It's Hannah.
What?
Idiot. Dude, she's waited on us like 17,000 times.
올론스 팔로워를 살펴보고 해나의 계정을 찾는 게리. 해나는 재킷을 벗고 대놓고 유혹하는 모습으로 저스틴에게 다가갑니다. 그런데
Hey, you okay?
The ground, stupid cheers. I think we got off on the wrong foot earlier. I'm a musician too. Writer, not performer.
Sick, yeah. What kind of stuff do you write?
Classical, mostly.
Yeah, classical.
그때
Wellesley.
Classical. Garrett?
Babe, I am always telling you to wear your jacket. You never do.
Oh, no. What?
Hey, I'm
I know you are, man. Yeah, you annihilated Eastwood today.
Yeah, thanks, man.
No worries.
You're a hockey fan?
Yeah, my dad played. You know, nothing like Phil Graham, but yeah, we'd watch together. You're Hannah, right?
Yeah.
Hannah Wells.
Right. Now, it was nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Officially.
Oh? Okay.
See you around. Sweet.
Yeah. Who the hell was that? And how do you suddenly know my name?
Don't worry about it. And you're welcome.
For
Now Jacob knows who you are.
Justin.
Whatever. Look, guys like that only want what someone else has, especially when that someone is a prior U athlete.
You really have a healthy opinion of yourself, don't you?
I actually thought that was pretty modest. I could have said starting center, team captain, highest scorer for 2 seasons straight. It worked, didn't it?
Why do you care? I haven't been particularly nice to you.
You're a music major, right? I saw your Instagram. You sort of disappear when you play. I don't mean that in a bad way. I mean, you love it, I can tell.
Don't you love hockey like that?
I don't know. It's just something I've always done to impress my dad.
And does it?
Nothing impresses him. Not really.
What about your mom?
She died a while back. Cancer.
Oh,
Look, I don't believe in favors or shortcuts. I don't want to pass this class because somebody handed me the grade. I want to earn it. And I'm pretty sure you're the only one who can help me do that.
so what? I help you study for the midterm and you play my fake boyfriend to get Justin's attention?
Something like that.
You'd still have to pay me.
Obviously.
Don't forget, I'm not your girl, Graham.
This is my dance space. This is your dance space. I don't go into yours, you don't come into mine.
You've seen Dirty Dancing.
That's my mom's favorite movie.
서로가 원하는 목적을 위한 수단으로 계약 연애를 하자는 캐리.
So?
Deal.
이렇게 두 사람의 계약 연애가 시작됩니다.
Hi, I'm...
Hannah, right? Garrett's tutor? Yeah, sorry it took me so long.
해나는 과외를 위해 게릿의 숙소에 방문합니다. 그들의 인기만큼 매일 친구들로 북적거리는 하키팀 4인방의 숙소.
Hey, I'm Jules, Pillow Chucker's sibling. Who are you? What's your deal?
Careful. Don't tell Jules anything you want with the whole school knowing.
I only report the facts.
줄스는 존의 친동생이자 하키팀 팬클럽 계정 5번 라인의 운영자입니다. 5번 라인엔 하키팀에 대한 모든 소식이 올라오기 때문에 게릿과 해나가 진짜로 사귀고 있다는 소문을 내기 위해선 줄스와 그들의 눈을 가장 조심해야 합니다.
Wellesley. Hey. We can study in my room.
당황한 표정으로 부끄러워하는 해나.
Jules?
So my nudity was not part of the deal.
Oh, please, don't flatter yourself. It's for Jules' benefit, not yours.
게릿은 자신들이 완벽하게 연인처럼 보인 뒤 헤어지는 게 작전이라고 말합니다.
You expect me to cry over you?
Yeah, oh yeah. Wellesley, this fake relationship is going to destroy you. I mean, your life will never be the same again. And then Justin will swoop in and pick up all the pieces.
그리고 중요한 건 그때까지 과일을 끝마쳐야겠죠.
What was that?
No, nothing. Just a snap from a puck bunny.
That's not what you actually call women.
They call themselves that.
Wait, are people gonna think I'm a puck bunny?
No one is going to think you're a puck bunny.
휴대폰이 쉬지 않고 울려 과외를 제대로 하지 못한 해나. 그리고 다음 날.
Cutting it close, Mr. Graham.
Sorry. Had to stop and grab coffee from my girl.
해나는 막상 가짜 연애를 하려니 쑥스럽습니다.
Is he looking? I can't tell.
Nope.
Technology. Always been driving.
What about now?
But what is the morality
No.
of a technology designed solely to divert wealth to the
Okay,
rich?
well, I can't take notes like this.
Nobody said you had to.
Push back against perceived progress if those disruptions are unwarranted.
He's looking now.
해나는 과일을 위해 게릿의 인터뷰 촬영을 기다려줍니다.
How do you plan to adjust to the challenge of being Briar's new captain?
I don't think there's a need to change anything.
이 틈에 자작곡 가사를 써보는 해나.
Hey, can I help you?
No, I'm here for Garrett.
Oh, I don't usually let girlfriends watch.
Definitely not a girlfriend. I'm his philosophy tutor.
Then you can stay.
해나는 학기팀 코치에게 교수님께 잘 말해서 게릿이 낙제 점수만 받지 않도록 해줄 수 없냐고 물어봅니다. 그런데 코치는 전혀 예상하지 못한 얘기를 해줍니다.
Do you know who his dad is?
Some hockey player?
One of the best defensemen in NHL history. Garrett's last name carries weight. He knows the spotlight's on him. So he busts his ass to prove that he's earned his place.
아버지가 유명 하키 선수라 그에 대한 혜택과 이점이 있을 거라는 사람들의 오해와 시선에 게릿은 자신에게 충분히 그럴 만한 능력이 있다는 걸 스스로 증명하려 합니다. 그래서일까요? 그는 단 한순간도 허투루 쓰는 일이 없었습니다.
You know I don't appreciate being made to wait 45 minutes.
게릿은 시간을 절약하기 위해 운동과 과외를 동시에 하겠다고 말합니다.
Got a lot to cover and I've never met a guy who can genuinely do two things at once.
Well, then you've been sleeping with the wrong guys, Wilson.
게릿의 농담에 자꾸만 어색해지는 해나.
You blush whenever I come near you.
Get over yourself. I don't blush.
Oh, yeah?
다가가는 게릿. 해나는 당황하지만 입술을 깨물고 버텨봅니다.
See? Nothing.
But what about when we kiss?
You're very sure of yourself.
Oh, right. Your terms.
What's wrong, Graham? Thought you said we needed practice.
Don't blush.
So this is tutoring.
What? No.
준에게의 현장을 들킨 뒤 사람들 눈에 띄기 위해 하키팀 경기도 관람합니다.
First game?
Yeah.
I know we can seem like a lot, but we don't bite, I swear.
그리고 이어지는 하키 시합은 박력이 넘치는 남자들의 경기였죠.
Here we go. You got this, boys. Come on now.
This is a tough game for the Plovers, folks.
Hey, right here. Yes, fucking go. Let's get it. Come on, baby. Hey, G. Come on. Hey, here we go.
Briar has control of the puck.
Logan. There you go.
Logan back to Graham.
Move it. I'm moving.
Graham back to Logan. These two are passing it back and forth like chlamydia during welcome week. Come on, guys. Let someone else have a turn. It's only fair.
Come on, baby.
Denied! Damn, so close.
Nope.
Chatham tries to get the puck the fuck out of town.
Get it, baby.
But Graham's right there with the interception.
Come on, G. Pass it up. Yeah. Good. Take it up.
Graham takes a lone in.
Yes.
Goal!
Oh.
Puck absolutely pounding the Chatham Plovers.
All day.
He's good.
Yeah. Problem is,
He knows it.
오늘 파티엔 저스틴이 참석합니다. 그래서 잔뜩 꾸미고 나온 해나. 게릿은 그녀의 모습을 사랑스럽게 바라보지만 해나의 관심은 다른 곳에 있었죠.
Any sign of Justin?
No, not yet, but he'll be here.
사람들은 웃고 떠들며 술을 마시지만 해나는 단 한 번도 술을 입에 대지 않습니다.
So you guys like dating?
Well, I mean, we're not like exclusive or anything.
It's just that last week you didn't even know her name, right?
절친인 존은 게릿의 이상한 행보를 수상하게 바라봅니다. 하지만 게릿은 해나에게 줄 음료를 찾고 있죠.
Jesus. Do you see anything non-alcoholic? It's for Hannah.
She doesn't drink.
She said not at parties.
이때 정확하게 해나의 말을 이해한 존.
Here, try this. Closed cans are safer, bro.
하지만 순진한 게릿은
Thanks.
해나의 의도를 전혀 알지 못했습니다.
Who is that? I don't know her personally, but I'm pretty sure that's J-Lo.
바람둥이 딘의 눈에 해나의 친구가 들어옵니다. 그리고 딘은 능숙하게 엘리에게 다가가 춤을 추는데
Should we dance or what?
그 순간 저스틴이 들어옵니다.
Oh my god. Justin's here.
Okay, be cool. You're with me.
Is he looking?
Oh, yeah.
그리고 이들의 모습을 바라보는 또 다른 한 사람. 게릿은 선수답게 모두의 시선을 느끼고 해나를 2층으로 데려갑니다.
Where are we going? He needs to see us.
And he has.
No, but he's talking to someone.
Hey, watch the player, not the puck, Wellesley.
What the hell does that mean?
저스틴은 확실하게 해나만 바라보고 있습니다.
Now, you can blush.
마치 잠자리로 데려가는 듯한 게릿과 해나. 그리고 이 모습을 저스틴은 허탈하게만 바라봅니다. 다른 사람들의 시선이 있으니 그들은 이 방에서 내일 아침에 나와야 합니다.
What?
Nothing.
Can't actually laugh out loud and not share the goods. Do you always get so beat up out there?
Nah, you get used to it. Hurt more when I was starting out.
How old were you?
When I started playing. Well, I don't know. As soon as I could walk, my dad put skates on me.
It's a lot of pressure on a kid.
Skating was the fun part. Pressure was getting measured once a week to make sure that I was growing fast enough. Chugging protein shakes and lifting weights. Missing birthday parties. Because my dad wouldn't let me skip practice. And his fucking whistle whenever I made a mistake.
Why do you still do it?
I guess I wouldn't know who I am without it.
어릴 때부터 아빠의 아들이 아닌 하키 선수의 아들로 살아온 게리. 그를 억누르고 있을 부담감이 해나에게도 느껴질 만큼 그는 힘들고 외로운 삶을 살아왔습니다. 그럴 때마다 게릿을 위로해주고 힘이 되어준 건 돌아가신 엄마가 들려주던 클래식 음악이었죠.
Oh my god, no, turn that off. That's so embarrassing.
엄마처럼 고전 영화를 좋아하고 클래식 음악을 사랑하는 해나.
Did you write this? It's incredible.
In high school.
You're really good.
무슨 일인지 예전 그녀는 가사를 잘 적었습니다. 하지만 지금은 자신의 얘기를 글로 적는 걸 너무나 두려워하고 있었죠.
I gotta tell you something. The other night at the Eastwood game, I was struggling. And then I heard someone singing.
게릿은 해나의 자유로운 모습에 가슴이 진정되고 차분하게 빙판으로 돌아갈 수 있었다고 말합니다.
Jules posted us.
We did it.
Yeah, we did it.
해나는 이 상황에 맞는 클래식 노래가 있다며 들려주겠다고 합니다. 하지만 해나의 노래가 더 듣고 싶은 게리.
Will you show me something of yours?
Like a classical piece?
No, like the one on your Instagram.
해나의 인스타엔 과거 자신이 써내려간 여러 팝송들이 있었습니다.
Why not?
It's like scary. telling the world something I'm not ready for it to know.
하지만 지금은 쇼케이스를 위해 새로운 노래를 준비 중이고 멋진 노래로 장학금을 탈 거라고 당찬 포부를 밝히는 해나. 그리고 술에 빠져 대학을 다니는 모습이 아닌 이런 자전적인 그녀의 모습은 게릿의 눈에 남들과는 다르게 보였을 겁니다.
Do you have to write the lyrics yourself? Like, can you collaborate?
Yeah, sure, as long as it's still mine.
게릿은 저스틴에게 도움을 청하며 이것을 계기로 여러 가지 기회를 잡아보라고 말합니다.
Wait, have you heard of the Beaches? Their Coachella set will change your life.
그렇게 음악 얘기로 밤을 지새운 해나와 게릿. 게릿의 표정이 복잡해 보입니다.
Anna.
Hi. Hey.
Justin.
Yeah.
Is the seat taken?
No?
Yeah?
No?
Cool.
Yeah.
해나가 추천해준 노래를 들으며 어젯밤 사진들을 살펴보는 게릿. 그리고 그의 시선은 사랑스러운 해나에게 오랫동안 머물러 있습니다. 며칠 후 해나는 저스틴에게 부탁해 함께 곡 작업을 하기로 합니다.
Do you know Monet?
Yeah, it's just something I do. Frees me when I'm stuck.
Keep going.
문제는 알바를 3개나 하는 해나에겐 게릿의 과외 시간을 빼기도 벅찬데 저스틴과 곡 작업을 하려면 시간 조정이 필요합니다.
Okay, anyway, it's impossible to get a rehearsal space last minute, but I got one, so I have to push tutoring until later. 5-ish?
Sure.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Yeah, why?
Because you're speaking in 2- and 3-word sentences.
과제 발표가 코앞이라 어떻게든 시간을 맞춰보려는 게릿. 하지만 해나의 머릿속은 저스틴과 작업할 생각뿐입니다.
Oh my god, I'm so nervous.
You're overthinking. Get out of your head. You know your shit. Just do you.
Yeah, right. Me.
해나는 저스틴에게 자신이 작곡한 멜로디를 보여줍니다.
Yeah, I like this phrase here.
You do?
Yeah. Are these lyrics?
No, maybe.
Maybe.
They're my attempts. I haven't written lyrics since high school.
Okay. Can you sing it for me?
Oh, no, I'm not a singer. Sorry.
아직 가사를 쓰지 못한 해나. 어떤 노래로 만들고 싶은지 구상은 했지만 글을 쓰는 건 아직도 망설이고 있습니다.
Sorry, but the lyrics could be about like being in love with someone who doesn't see you, and the cello's like, "Hey, I see you. I'm into you." You know.
작업이 끝난 뒤 과외를 위해 게릿의 집에 도착한 해나. 그런데
What happened to your Subaru?
Oh, my Blueberry. How do you know about that?
I fixed it. Freshman year, you brought it to my family's garage just off Route 6.
That was you?
That was me, yeah.
I love that car. Tragically, she died.
Oh, shit. Sorry.
No. You gave my Blueberry 6 more months of life. I had her my whole freshman year. That was huge.
Well, if your bike ever needs a tune-up, I'm your guy.
Okay.
주는 이것저것을 수리하는 알바를 하며 학비를 벌고 있었습니다.
You're a hockey player. I thought all you guys got free rides.
Can't all be Gary Graham, right?
과외를 위해 들어가는 해나. 그런데 이런 해나를 묘하게 바라보는 준. 해나는 저스틴과 계속 작업을 하고 저스틴은 해나의 멜로디에 가사를 써옵니다.
Yellow, yellow eyes. Yellow, yellow.
And then your cello pop?
노래가 곧 완성될 것 같은 느낌이 듭니다.
Let me send you this file and we can riff on it. Are you a Pro Tools or a Logic girl?
Logic. All the way.
노트북을 여는데 저스틴의 노래를 모아 설레는 중이란 재생 목록을 만든 걸 들켜버립니다.
Let me actually just.
Shit, it's 7:30. I gotta go. Yeah.
아직 게릭과 계약 연애를 하기에 속마음을 들킨 건 아닌지 걱정이 되는 해나.
Oh yeah, I've been counting sheep. I look perfect on the surface, but a nightmare underneath.
그리고 대망의 과제 발표 날, 게릿은 성공적으로 발표를 마칩니다.
We did it! A fucking B!
Plus! Don't forget the plus!
B plus!
Yeah, you are officially a professional bullshitter.
Thanks to you.
Oh.
이때 둘의 모습을 말없이 지나치는 저스틴, 그리고 해나에게 다음 작업 일정을 문자로 물어봅니다.
What should I say? Am I good?
Nope.
What are you doing?
You're not gonna respond. Hey, fangirl. Start thinking like a fuckboy. Ghost his ass.
정말로 밀당을 위해 문자를 씹으라는 건지 아니면 질투를 하는 건지 알 수 없는 게릿의 행동.
You are going to put your phone away and come to Malone's with me and the guys.
To Malone's?
Yes.
Okay, with all the guys?
We've established this.
Garrett,
Hannah?
do you know what tonight is?
Hell yeah, I do.
오늘 멀론스는 가라오케의 밤이 열립니다.
Take me, baby, or leave me.
She's really going at it.
모두가 돌아가며 노래를 해야 하는데 술을 먹지 않는 해나는 맨정신으로 노래를 부르기 힘들었죠.
Wellesley, what you singing?
Nothing.
Come on, it's karaoke.
Yeah, well, sober karaoke's no fun.
게릿은 이런 밤을 즐기지 않는 해나가 안타까웠습니다.
You know, you don't have to be sober if you don't want to be.
Yeah, well, I don't.
Drink in public? No, I know. But do you want to?
Want to what?
Drink.
I told Allie I'd.
I will look after Al.
엘리를 챙겨야 한다며 핑계를 대는 해나에게 자신이 꼭 챙겨주겠다며 약속하는 게릿.
I got you, Mosey. Do you trust me?
Yeah, I do. Okay, I will have a drink. A drink.
And what is your drink of choice?
I don't know.
Well, that is a fun problem to solve. I think we found your drink.
Yummy!
이때 존이 술집에 도착합니다.
You fixed my car.
술이 많이 올라왔는지 과거 얘기를 하며 웃고 떠드는 해나.
Hannah Wells, you're up, bitch.
Alright, hold on. Wait, I thought you weren't singing.
Well, that was before I found the perfect song.
무대에 오르는 해나.
Oh shit, Graham. You know this one? She's my cherry pie.
그리고 그녀의 모습을 게릭과 존은 넋을 놓고 바라봅니다.
Sweet cherry pie.
줄스는 이런 해나가 매력적으로 느껴지나 봅니다.
Kind of sweet, isn't it? Seeing Garrett being serious about someone.
You think he's serious?
Everyone on Fifth Line seems to think so. They get more likes than anything else I post.
언제나 그랬던 것처럼 게릿은 금방 해나에게 관심이 식을 거라고 생각했던 존. 그때 노래가 끝나고 해나는 게릿에게 다가갑니다.
You did good, Mosey.
Thank you.
서로에게 어떤 감정을 느꼈던 걸까요? 유난히 오늘따라 말수가 적습니다.
You guys, I forgot my purse at the bar.
Your purse with my wallet and keys in it?
We gotta go back.
It's closed.
술 취한 엘리를 자신의 소파에 눕혀줍니다.
Night, night.
해나를 찾는 게리.
Wellesley?
해나는 옷을 갈아입고 게릿의 방에 있었습니다.
I found something to sleep in.
I can see that. Whoa.
But I'm a fuck bunny. A pug funny.
Come here. Come here.
게릿은 친절하게 침대를 내어줍니다. 그 누구도 게릿의 침대에서 잔 여자는 없었죠.
Go to sleep, Wellesley. Hey, you're not gonna remember any of this in the morning.
다음날 해나는 더 이상 과외를 할 필요가 없으니 이제 계약 연애를 그만하자고 말합니다. 그리고 앞으로 저스틴과 진도를 나가기 위해서 한 가지 부탁을 하려고 합니다.
I'm gonna tell you something really heavy, and you're gonna want to dwell on it, but you shouldn't. I'm just telling you the bad stuff so that you can understand my request. Okay? It's just a means to an end. Okay? A means to an end.
Got it.
I was raped. It happened in high school. I was drugged at a party. That's why I don't like drinking in public.
Oh, shit.
No. See, what you're doing right now is dwelling, and I need you to just breeze past this part, okay?
해나는 남자와 잠자리를 가지려고 하면 과거의 일이 계속 떠오른다고 말합니다.
Even though I firmly put this behind me, I still can't seem to, orgasm with a guy. I mean, on my own, sure, fine, fireworks, but, not with someone else.
그래서 누구보다 편하게 느껴지는 게릿과 잠자리에 성공한다면 저스틴과도 편하게 할 수 있을 거라는 성진국 여성 해나.
Okay, a thing you have done for many women. It's just...
A means to an end.
Exactly.
Okay. I'll do it.
Really? You will?
Of course. You're my friend and you need me.
동방예의 지국에서는 절대로 공감 가지 않는 흐름인데 어쨌든 둘은 오늘 밤 잠자리를 갖기로 약속합니다. 그리고 게릿은 이 어려운 고민을 학교 최고의 바람둥이인 딘에게 털어놓죠.
This doesn't leave the weight room. We're not actually having this conversation.
게릿은 해나가 아닌 다른 여성의 사연이라며 해나의 부탁을 얘기합니다.
It's just that I really want it to be good for her.
If it's her first time, she might not come.
Not an option. She has to come.
Respect. Well, there's one thing that helps make a girl come. Trust. That's it. She's just gotta feel completely safe. So you just gotta figure out whatever makes this specific girl who is not Hannah feel safe.
I'm just not sure I'm the kind of guy she should be trusting with this.
Well, if she asked you, she thinks you are, which is fucking hot. Just don't skimp on the foreplay.
Yeah.
Talking 5 play, 6 play.
Yeah, got it.
You know? Right?
Thanks.
Good talk, man. Great talk.
그리고 그날 밤 해나가 도착합니다.
Hey.
평소와 다른 옷이 불편해 보이는 해나.
Would you be more comfortable wearing literally anything else?
Maybe.
Think fast.
편한 옷으로 갈아입고 그들이 좋아하는 음악을 들으며 조금씩 진도를 나갑니다. 하지만 또 과거의 기억이 떠오르는 해나.
Sorry.
It's okay.
This is what happens.
And then I just like zoom out. I leave my body.
게릿은 실망한 해나를 위로해 줍니다. 하지만
Nothing is wrong with you.
What if I'm broken?
해나도 알고 있습니다. 자신의 마음먹기에 따른 것이고 이겨내야 한다는 걸. 하지만 그것이 정말 쉽지 않았죠.
I do have another idea. I mean, if you're willing to hear it.
Yeah, okay, sure.
Instead of me giving you an orgasm, why don't you give yourself one?
That's not going to prove anything. I do that all the time.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Good. Then, show me.
게릿은 해나가 집에서 편하게 하는 것처럼 하지만 시선은 자신의 얼굴을 바라보라고 말합니다. 그리고 해나는 게릿을 바라보며 성공적인 전의를 느낍니다. 거사를 치른 뒤
Yeah, your mama just got a little bacon on it.
All right.
해나는 한결 가벼워진 것 같습니다. 존은 요즘 연습 때 엉망입니다. 그의 머릿속에 하키가 아닌 다른 것이 있는 것 같죠.
Seriously, what's your damage, Heather?
Nothing, just a shitty practice.
Really? That's it?
Yeah, that's it. Garrett, he was just so busy talking about Hannah that we missed a bunch of passes, and it's just made me look bad.
Ah, I see what's happening. This is about your dumb crush on Hannah.
What? That's... I don't...
Convincing. Don't bother. I saw the way you were staring at her at karaoke. This is so like you. You want things you can't have.
No, I don't.
You need a fucking wake-up call. Maybe Garrett can afford to get distracted chasing a little crush, but you can't.
존은 게릿과 딘처럼 금수저가 아닙니다. 팀이 디비전에서 좋은 성적을 거두지 못하면 드래프트에서 지명을 받지 못할 것이고 그러면 존의 미래는 말 그대로 어둡게 변할 겁니다.
And if you don't make it, it's you and Mom. At the garage. Forever. Is that what you want?
No, it's not what I fucking want.
해나는 친구의 뮤지컬 파티에 참석합니다. 마음 놓고 저스틴과 포옹하는 해나. 그리고 이 파티엔 게릿도 참석했죠.
Who was he?
Hey.
Jordan?
Justin.
Oh, right. Yeah, sorry. My bad. That's all good.
끝까지 일부러 이름을 틀리게 부르는 귀여운 게릿. 해나는 이젠 게릿과 연인이 아니니 편하게 저스틴 옆에 앉습니다. 그리고 뮤지컬 파티는 관객 중에서 배우를 고르는데 하필이면 저스틴과 해나가 무대에 오르고 다음 참가자를 또 불색합니다.
Okay, next I need a big, strong man to play Demetrius.
Me, Garrett Graham, I want to be in the show.
Shut the
눈치 빠른 딘 때문에 무대에 오르는 게릿. 역시 선수입니다.
Okay, now we just need a Helena. She's a real messy bitch who wants to get in Demetrius's pants. Can anyone relate?
Allow me.
오랫동안 게릿을 좋아하던 캔들이 나타납니다. 그녀는 해나 때문에 무대로 올라왔겠죠.
From the game, right? Hannah.
Please, everyone knows the girl who locked down Garrett Graham.
No, I didn't lock him. I mean, we're not locked.
하지만 해나의 말과는 다르게 게릿의 눈빛은 계속 해나를 향하고 있습니다.
Looks like Hannah's broadening her horizons too.
You know, you didn't have to mess with her like that. She's not my girlfriend.
But you clearly want her to be.
No, I don't.
Please, you can deny it all you want, but I looked at you the same way for months.
지금 게릿의 심정은 그동안의 캔들의 심정과 같을 겁니다. 이제야 느껴집니다. 캔들이 얼마나 고통스럽고 아팠을지.
I was just gonna say, you know, it sucks when you like someone and they don't like you back.
It does.
If I knew just how much it sucked, I probably would have done some things differently. So, I'm sorry.
브라이어 대학 최고의 퀸카답게 쿨하게 사과를 받아주는 캔들.
I was having so much fun being a bitch. Fine. Yeah, okay, I accept. Marvel. It's foul, but it's effective.
뮤지컬의 진행은 흐르고 흘러
I made this love potion special for the boys. It's a real knockout. And wouldn't you know it, when they came to, they only had eyes for Helena.
Okay, loving this.
이제 캔들과 게릿의 자리가 됩니다.
How is a buxom maiden ever to decide? Oh, I know. How about a good old-fashioned dance-off? Which one of you wants to take the pole first?
게릿의 스토리는 캔들과 사랑에 빠지는 겁니다. 그리고 이 모습을 지켜만 봐야 하는 해나. 그런데 생각지도 못한 감정이 느껴집니다.
You knew the songs I played on every rainy night.
뮤지컬이 끝난 뒤 저스틴과 많은 얘기를 나누는 해나. 그런데 머릿속은 다른 생각으로 꽉 차 있는 것 같죠. 그때
The old black and white
fucking love this song.
movies I adore.
Why do you love it so much?
Well, I mean, for starters, the bass line and the way it interacts with the lead guitar. It's
No, sorry. I actually mean,
I told you things I
what does
never
it make you feel?
told another.
jealous I didn't write it
Cracks
first.
inside my chest, the places
why? What
I
does it make
don't
you feel?
show. You held my secrets like they were
Nothing.
safe in
I mean, they're
you.
not for everyone.
해나와 생각이 맞지 않는 저스틴. 이제야 게릿이 얼마나 천생연분이었는지 깨닫습니다. 게릿을 찾아갑니다. 하지만 집에 없는 게릿.
How did I not see? Now you're talking to some. Now that I found you, I can touch you.
해나의 목소리입니다. 어디일까요?
Baby, baby, since first we met, I knew in this heart of mine.
해나를 발견하고 달려가는 게릿. 그리고 그녀가 불러주는 노래 가사는 게릿을 향한 그녀의 마음이 고스란히 느껴집니다. 게릿은 해나와의 관계를 분명히 합니다.
I don't want to be your friend, Wellesley.
this isn't how you kiss your friends.
No more Justin.
Music collaboration only.
그날 이후 둘은 정말로 뜨거운 사랑을 나눕니다. 이젠 하키팀 사이에서도 없어선 안 될 존재가 된 해나. 하지만 단 한 사람, 이런 해나를 조금 다르게 바라보는 사람이 있었죠. 추수감사절이 다가옵니다. 미국에서 이날은 온 가족이 모이는 가장 큰 명절 중 하나입니다.
What are you doing this year, honey? Are you going to go to Brooklyn with Allie again?
No, Garrett's housemates are doing Friendsgiving, so I'm gonna stay for that.
Friendsgiving? That sounds so fun.
아빠의 문자에 표정이 안 좋은 게리. 그리고 해나의 어머니는 음식을 보내주려고 친구들이 몇 명인지 물어보죠.
Text Garrett. Ask him how many people are going.
Garrett?
Wait, he's there? Wait, introduce me.
No, Mom.
Garrett, honey, how many people will be at Friendsgiving?
Hi, Mrs. Wells.
Please, call me Carrie. Look at you. You weren't exaggerating, Hannah. He's so handsome.
Okay, hanging up now.
해나는 게릿과 다르게 가족과 사이가 좋아 보입니다.
Okay, we gotta go. We have class.
Okay, well, it's nice to meet you, Garrett.
Nice meeting you too, Mrs. Carrie.
Miss and love you, sweet pea.
Miss and love you too, Mama.
Bye.
훈련장으로 향합니다. 게릿을 기다리고 있는 아빠 폴 그레이엄.
I didn't know how else to get you to talk to me.
폴은 게릿이 명절에 집으로 오길 부탁합니다.
I want you to come home for Thanksgiving.
Are you serious?
Cindy still really wants to meet you before the wedding, and I would appreciate it as well.
Look, I don't know what kind of bullshit game you're playing, but I don't...
It's not a game, Garrett. I'm really trying here. I'm a different man now, and I don't expect you to understand this, but Cindy, she's chosen to trust me, and I want to be someone worthy of that trust.
이번에 뭔가 달라 보이는 폴. 그래서일까요? 절대로 들어주지 않을 부탁을 고민하는 게릿. 하지만 용기가 나질 않습니다.
Hey, Wellesley.
Yeah?
Why don't you go home for the long weekend? Seems like your parents would love to see you.
That place isn't really my home anymore.
Because what happened to you?
Yeah, and what happened after? When the guy you accuse of assault is the mayor's kid, people don't tend to believe you. Yeah, it didn't help that his whole team rallied around him, testified against me in court. Some real Hester Prynne bullshit.
He was an athlete?
Yeah,
A hockey player?
yeah.
Ah, fuck.
Look, that's all in the past now. He's in the past. Indiana is just not my favorite place to go back to. My parents get it.
게릿은 자신이 용기를 낼 수 있도록 해나에게 함께 가자고 부탁합니다.
When I saw him before practice, he seemed, like, different.
Good different?
Well, I don't know if he's capable of that, but...
But you hope so. Look, I think people can change. If they want to.
So you're saying you think I should give him another chance?
If that's what you want.
If I go, will you come with me?
Of course.
Are you sure?
It's what girlfriends do. Real ones, anyway.
Thank you.
주는 연습이 한창입니다.
Am I getting faster?
줄스는 스폰서 제품 광고를 찍은 게릿과 존의 사진이 잘 나왔다며 감탄합니다.
By these pictures, I'd almost assume you weren't into Garrett's girlfriend.
Because I'm not.
Uh-huh.
이때 어머니가 재활원 전화로 연락을 합니다.
Want me to put it on speaker?
I'd rather keep skating suicides.
She's probably having a hard time right now.
Because she'll be alone on Thanksgiving. She did that to herself.
She's trying, dude.
She's always trying. Gotta get that.
Hi, Mom.
존은 명절인데도 어머니께 가려고 하지 않습니다. 그에게 어머니는 가족을 돌보지 않은 중독자일 뿐이었죠.
Holy
Fucking hell.
shit. Since I can't go home, I've decided to make all my mama's greatest hits from scratch. We got 3 kinds of pie, 2 kinds of cranberry sauces, and more sweet potatoes than you can shake a stick at. And the piece de resistance. The Tucker family deep-fried turkey, all rights reserved, 1985.
터커는 가족이 트리키에 있기 때문에 추수감사절에 학교에 남아 있습니다. 그래서 자신처럼 학교에 남아있을 아이들을 위해 거대한 파티를 할 생각입니다.
This, my friends, will be a military operation. Y'all have jobs to do. Okay, where the fuck is Garrett? What's up? Garrett, thank you for finally joining us. You and Wellesley will handle the pie crust from Della's backstock.
For...
Thanksgiving.
Oh, right. Sorry, Tuck. Hannah and I are going to my dad's place in Boston. Can't make it.
What? No. Okay. No problem. Dean, you can handle all his stuff, okay?
No, I would be all over that. But I'm road tripping down to New York tomorrow with Bo.
학교에 남을 계획인 존. 터커의 요리를 도와주려고 합니다.
Who needs him? Jules and I are still here. It's gonna be the perfect fucking Thanksgiving. What do you need?
I'll send you my to-do list.
Damn.
I know. It's glorious.
I'm so depressed you're not coming to Brooklyn with me this year.
Me too, but I want to be there for Garrett.
해나는 게릿의 아버지를 만날 생각에 걱정이 태산입니다.
Well, don't stress. It's not about him liking you. It's about Garrett. And he already likes you.
해나를 두고 뉴욕으로 여행 가는 게 마음에 걸리는 엘리. 발걸음이 차마 떨어지지 않습니다.
Bus is almost here. Gotta go. What? No, Garrett can just drive you.
No, it's fine. I love a bus.
You hate a bus.
It's fine. I love you. Happy Thanksgiving.
Love you.
게릿은 폴의 집 앞에서 망설입니다. 그리고 해나는 이런 게릿을 위로해주죠.
Hey, we can go at any point. Just give me the signal and we'll get the fuck out.
The signal?
Yeah, like, I don't know, squeeze my hand or something. Once means you're good. 2 squeezes and we're gone.
해나의 말을 듣고 용기를 내어 집에 들어갑니다. 그리고 폴과 신디는 이런 그들을 반갑게 맞아줍니다.
Look at you.
They look alike, don't they? It's uncanny. I'm so glad you're here, Garrett. I can't wait to hear all about how the season's going.
신디는 좋은 사람인 것 같습니다. 그리고 폴도 예전처럼 다혈질적인 모습이 보이지 않는 자상한 아빠처럼 보입니다.
You okay?
Yeah, it's just weird being back here. After my mom died, I went off to boarding school, and I never really lived here again.
게릿의 방엔 폴의 물건이 가득합니다. 은퇴를 했지만 유명한 선수였으니 기념품도 그만큼 많겠죠.
His best years are behind him.
Are you afraid that'll happen to you?
This is what success looks like, eventually. Or I could tear my ACL tomorrow and get stuck bagging groceries at the Stop and Shop.
Hey, my mom works at Bob's Market. So, it wasn't really a dream either, though.
What was?
I don't know, she was a singer. Her high school choir won a bunch of competitions, but I don't know, she never really went for it.
She must be proud of you then.
Yeah, I just think she wants me to be happy.
해나는 지금까지 가족과 행복한 삶을 살아온 것 같습니다. 하지만 게릿과 폴의 삶에는 오직 하키밖에 없죠.
Yeah, I don't know, it just seems kind of sad. Like you wake up one morning and can't play hockey anymore. Did you miss it?
It's the only thing I'm good at.
Okay, that's not true. That's not an answer.
I think I would be relieved.
준은 터커의 요리를 도와주고 줄스는 이런 오빠를 따라다니며 계속 잔소리를 쉬지 않습니다. 그러면서 엄마와 본의 어린 시절 추수감사절 얘기를 하는데 그러고 보니 준은 추수감사절에 타코만 먹었지 칠면조 요리를 먹어본 적이 없습니다.
Tacos? On Thanksgiving?
It's actually the best time for tacos, honestly. Especially when your big bro has a sweet sponsorship deal with Taco Shack.
They're open on Thanksgiving?
Yeah, they're the only place open on Thanksgiving. And we learned that the hard way when our mom got drunk one year and forgot she was grilling chicken. The propane tank almost leveled the block.
Whoa. It was a blessing, actually. Mama Logan was never known for her cooking. I know.
줄스는 타코를 들고 엄마를 찾아가자고 한 번 더 설득합니다.
Well, she's probably surrounded by strangers eating gross rehab food right now. So she needs our support.
하지만 엄마를 보고 싶지 않은 준.
Well, it's Thanksgiving and she's fucking family, John.
She's in fucking rehab, Jules.
Exactly. She's trying.
Okay, new plan. I'm gonna whip up some spinach casserole. What?
You know what? Forget it. I'll go myself.
엄마가 명절에 타코만 준 것은 우리를 챙기기 싫어서가 아니라 나름 요리를 하려고 노력했지만 매번 실패했다는 줄스. 결국 혼자 재활원에 도착합니다.
Happy Thanksgiving. Do you have an appointment?
Hi. No, I'm here for Jean Logan.
And when did she check in?
Last week.
I'm sorry, new intakes don't have visitation privileges yet.
No, I have a delivery. Can you just tell her it's from Jules?
And John.
Excuse me. I paid for this with my hard-earned cash.
Well, Ben, will you?
이제야 가족의 마음을 조금 이해하게 된 슌. 명절에 모이는 건 이렇게 오해를 풀고자 모이는 것도 있겠죠.
Thank you. It'll mean a lot to her.
Well, I'm here because it means a lot to you. And you're right. She is trying.
해나는 저녁을 준비하는 동안 존의 방을 더 살펴봅니다. 저녁 준비가 끝나고 함께 식탁에 앉는 해나.
Thanks for coming. Means a lot to me.
Phil, would you?
Yes, of course. We should say a little grace before we dig in.
게릿은 오랜만에 식탁에서 가족의 온기를 느낍니다. 비록 엄마는 이곳에 없지만 그래도 편한 아버지 모습을 보면 분명 엄마도 좋아하셨겠죠. 그런데
And understanding. To experience what it means to be family. In this life and the next. Thank you, Lord. Amen.
Amen.
신디의 팔을 보자 얼굴이 사색이 되는 게릿.
Everything okay?
Yeah. I just gotta chill.
She's thin-skinned, this one. Not built for Boston winter. Why don't you go upstairs and get a different sweater, darling?
Don't!
Whoa!
Just sit.
Is there a problem?
Sorry, I need,
I'm so sorry. I'm not feeling well. Can we go? Let's go.
게릿은 숨을 거칠게 몰아쉬며 밖으로 나오고 신디는 코트를 들고 따라 나옵니다.
Thank you. I'm gonna go warm up the car.
Your wrist.
It was an accident.
No, it wasn't.
I'm sorry I ruined Thanksgiving. Your father really wanted us all to...
You didn't ruin... You can't stay with him.
Look, he felt awful after, and it's not who he is.
It's exactly who he is. He says it's not going to happen again. Right? He makes promises. He says he'll change. It's a lie. It's all a fucking lie. He doesn't care about you. He doesn't care about me. All he cares about is Phil fucking Graham. That's it. Listen to me. My mom didn't have the chance to get out. But you do. Please leave. Please.
It's complicated.
불안한 듯 주먹을 잡고 만지는 게릿. 네, 폴은 가족에게도 폭력을 휘둘렀습니다. 그래서 아버지를 용서할 수 없었던 게릿. 하지만 간곡한 부탁의 기회를 줬고 이젠 변한 줄 알았는데 터무니없는 기대였죠.
Garrett, are you okay?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm fine.
해나는 차를 세우고 게릿의 말을 들어줍니다.
I couldn't.
그리고 과거 얘기를 시작하는 게릿.
I can protect her. My mom, I tried, but I couldn't fight back.
Garrett, did he hit you?
What if I'm just like him?
Hey, you're not. You would never hurt someone like that.
She was scared of me.
Cindy?
The way she looked at me.
That wasn't about you. She doesn't know you.
I'm
해나는 게릿을 꽉 안아줍니다. 그녀의 온기에 조금씩 진정이 되는 게릿.
What do you need?
Let's just go home.
Let's go home.
해나는 돌아가는 길에 몰론스에 들려 샌드위치를 만들어 저녁을 때웁니다. 그때 터커에게 전화가 걸려옵니다.
Hey, lovebirds. Glad we got you.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. Here, wait, let me add Dean. We gotta get the whole fam here.
Hello?
Hey, what? Are you already asleep?
딘에게도 화상 전화를 걸어 행복한 명절을 보내라고 안부를 전합니다.
Yes, happy Thanksgiving, dorks. They didn't see you.
네, 엘리는 딘과 함께 있었습니다. 오늘은 주인공들이 몰론스에 모여 있습니다.
You see how quick they are? They're going to capitalize on mistakes. Okay, control is key, Tucker. You cannot let them get a step on you. Not a single one.
No. Graham, I'm not having this. Put that thing away.
게릿은 내일 있을 세인트 앤서니와의 경기 분석을 하느라 신입들을 붙잡아 두고 있고 딘이 나타나 위기에서 구해줍니다. 그리고 이 모습을 말없이 바라보고 있는 엘리. 엘리는 하키팀의 여자들이 끊이질 않는 게 걱정되지 않냐고 물어봅니다.
That really doesn't bother you? I trust Garrett. And the Puck Bunnies are actually kind of cool. Yeah. You know what they want.
What's so important about this game tomorrow?
St. Anthony's. Ever since they beat Eastwood, they've been gunning for a top spot in the conference.
Are they close?
They're on a 10-game streak.
So they're close.
If we lose, they'll be number one in the conference.
Shit.
프로팀에 가기 위해 가장 중요한 순간인 세인트 앤서니와의 경기. 그때
I'm gonna play something brand new for you. It's an original, written with the one and only Hannah Wells.
You didn't tell me he was gonna sing your song?
저스틴은 완성된 해나의 곡을 불러줍니다. 관객들의 반응을 보면 콘퍼런스에서 통할지 답이 나오겠죠. 하지만 이 노래를 처음 듣는 엘리는 가사가 이상하다고 말합니다.
Yellow rain? Like pink?
그리고 관객들의 반응도 해나가 원하는 게 아닙니다.
There you are. What'd you think?
해나는 가사를 다시 쓰자고 말합니다. 하지만 저스틴은 이미 충분하다며 해나를 설득합니다.
It's supposed to grab people. It makes them feel things.
Yeah, they seem really into it.
The lyrics don't even make sense.
They're poetic.
사람들은 충분히 열광했습니다. 하지만 그건 분위기에 취한 것이지 노래를 듣고 공감한 것이 아니었죠.
I made something I'm proud of. I performed it. I put my heart on the line. Now you go on and on about how you don't feel it, how you don't connect, how the song doesn't sound like you. Of course it doesn't, because you refuse to put yourself in this. You want to feel something, Hannah? Try writing your own lyrics. I'm done.
결국은 해나가 가사를 쓰는 게 맞습니다. 자신의 감정을 담은 경험을 토대로 가사를 적어야 그녀가 바라는 공감과 반응을 끌어낼 수 있는 거죠.
Justin and I broke up.
Oh, not words I was expecting to hear from my girlfriend about another guy.
I have 2 weeks to write another song.
There's plenty of time.
해나는 오히려 게릿을 걱정해 줍니다. 아버지 때문에 내일 중요한 시합을 망치진 않을지.
Yeah, well, what happens when Phil shows up to a game?
When I win, he nods, and when I lose, he says nothing. He won't be that hard to ignore.
I think you should tell someone. Jensen, Logan, they care about you.
I don't need them to know. I mean, that's why I have you. I trust you. You wanna go home?
I wish. Told Della I'd oversee cleanup. And I really should get started on the song. Okay, you go. I'll stay at my place tonight.
You sure?
Yeah. You get some sleep for the game tomorrow. Big scary game against big scary St. A's. You scared the shit out of them, you know. Look how hard they're trying to please you.
Oh, they're not trying to please me. They're trying to win.
Which you will.
Yeah.
See you tomorrow, okay? Be in the stands with the sign that says I heart Garrett Graham.
Might be kind of hard to spot you. There are a lot of those signs.
I hate you.
I love you too. See you tomorrow.
신입들은 셔터를 내릴 때까지 분석을 했고 해나와 같이 문을 나갑니다.
Yeah, if you're on the ice with Delaney, you just gotta do what G says. He can't hold up against all the pressure.
Who?
St. A's new center, Aaron Delaney. Dude's a beast.
충격을 받은 해나. 학교와 이름을 검색해보자. 해나는 고등학교 시절 자신의 이야기를 글로 쓰는 것에 문제가 없었습니다.
Hannah, we won.
해나의 아버지는 그녀가 다니는 고등학교 밴드 교사였기에 그녀는 음악을 사랑하는 부모님 밑에서 행복하게 꿈을 키워나갔죠. 그런데
I just want to know how your new song is coming along. Must be going well because you missed 3 cues tonight.
The muse waits for no one.
Oh, does the muse play clarinet? Because we're looking for a new alternate first chair.
Just right, Hannah.
Man, I'm gonna skip the game today. Got an extra monster cookie if you want one. Hannah? Babe, you okay?
Yeah, sorry. I'm not super hungry. Don't worry about me. I'm good.
Okay, love you.
딜레이니에게 봉변을 당한 뒤 가족들은 해나와 함께 경찰에 신고합니다.
I just want you to write down what happened.
그때 해나는 계속 과거의 일이 떠올라 진술서를 제대로 적지 못했습니다. 그래서 그녀는 피해자가 아닌 꽃뱀으로 몰리게 됐고 아버지는 학교에서 잘리고 다른 지역으로 이사를 갈 수밖에 없었죠. 그날 해나는 결심했습니다. 앞으로 절대 가족에게 피해를 주지 않고 스스로 모든 것을 해결하겠다.
Look at those smug motherfuckers. The 10-game streak ends now.
게릿은 이런 사정도 모르고 딜레이니를 보며 의지를 불태웁니다.
Doesn't matter, nothing's getting past us.
폴도 경기장에 방문합니다.
Looks like you got a tough one out there today. Feeling good?
Yeah, you know what? Don't worry about me. I'm ready.
Sorry, I left my phone in the car.
It's okay.
Hi, Garrett.
신디는 폴에게서 도망가지 않았습니다. 폴의 옆에서 잔뜩 겁에 질려 벌벌 떨지만 그녀는 엄마처럼 절대로 도망가지 못할 겁니다. 경기가 시작됩니다.
Start of our long-awaited game with St. A's and their new center, Aaron Delaney. And we're underway here in the first. Hawks take possession. Oh, shit! Brutal hit from Aaron Delaney. Seems the new guy's fitting right in with St. A's legendary trash-talking bullies. Whoa! How is that not a penalty? Hawks regain possession. Graham starts out from behind his own net and... Oh! Delaney says nope. He shoots and beats Sims blocker side for the goal.
Come on, Graham. It's not fun if you don't fight back. Fuck you.
홀처럼 거친 플레이를 하고 싶지 않은 게리. 그래서일까요? 시합은 계속 꼬이기만 합니다.
Wellesley, where are you?
해나는 오랫동안 방치했던 가사 노트를 꺼냅니다. 그날 이후 공책만 보면 진술서를 쓰던 트라우마가 떠올라 그녀는 자신의 이야기와 감정을 글로 적지 못했죠. 첫 번째 피리어드가 끝나고 호크스는 작전 회의를 합니다.
Let's just work as a team and try not to do it all ourselves. No more one-on-one sloppiness.
I got it, okay? Fine.
Hey, cut the attitude, Graham. I mean it.
Hey, Delaney's trying to take you out of the game, so take the defenders out too. As soon as the puck comes near, you just get rid of it.
Who died and made you coach?
I'm out there too, man.
Okay, then worry about yourself, right?
Okay, fine. I don't know what your problem is, but I suggest you do whatever it takes to work it out. Fucking quick.
해나는 딜레이니와 마주치는 게 두려워 경기장 주변을 맴돌고 있습니다. 그때 리허설 중인 교수님과 마주치는 해나.
Sorry. I couldn't be in my room, so I came and I heard. Who was that you were playing?
It's actually an original. Part of a series I wrote when my son first went off to daycare. Kind of exploring the emptiness of time.
교수님은 오래전 사고를 당해 하늘로 간 아들이 있습니다. 그리고 그 감정을 곡에 담았는지 말하지 않아도 모든 것이 느껴집니다.
Doesn't it hurt?
Doesn't what hurt?
Ripping yourself open over and over again. Letting people see all the weird, jagged pieces of you.
Is that what it feels like?
Yeah, well, it doesn't feel good.
I don't subscribe to the notion that art has to be painful. In fact, if done right, allowing people into our truth, that can even be healing.
Yeah, I don't know about that. In my experience, whenever I tell someone my truth, it ends badly.
Well, that doesn't mean we have to close ourselves off for good.
It doesn't?
No, but that just means we have to cling to the people who see us and smile. There has to be someone like that in your life, right?
Yeah, there is.
Then, with love, what the hell are you doing here talking to me? Taking up my rehearsal time.
Yeah, you're right. Sorry. I'm gonna. Thank you, David.
Anytime.
가벼운 마음으로 전화기를 켭니다.
Hey, it's me. Are you okay? Or did I do something wrong? Just you said you were coming, and you're not here, and I really wish you were here. You always help me get out of my head, and I could just really use a Coach Wellesley pep talk right now. So, yeah, just if you could just let me know you're okay. I'm here. Okay.
Heavy into the second, Briar's trailing 3-1. You can tell Graham is frustrated with this incessant coverage.
Fuck you! Up, G! You got Logan! Come on, man! Get rid of it! You got Logan! Move it! It's up, G! Can't keep up, daddy boy? Fuck!
계속 딜레이니에게 막히는 게리. 위기는 계속됩니다.
Delaney banks the puck to himself past Graham and breaks up the ice.
Fuck!
Delaney sends the puck behind the Hawks' net. The Hawks are on their heels again. The pass comes out front to Delaney and...
핵심 수비수인 버디의 부상. 이건 심각합니다. 때마침 두 번째 피리어드가 끝나 락커룸으로 들어가는데
Fuck Aaron Delaney, man.
There's no way that was an accident. He knew exactly what he was doing. Okay, guys, anything can happen in 20 minutes. Maybe we switch to a 1-2-2 trap to really cut off their outlets, amp up the pressure?
That won't work. It doesn't matter what we do. We were already getting our asses kicked before Birdie got domed. We know what the problem is.
You got something to say?
You know you're locked off. I told you to get rid of it.
Come on, bro.
No, everyone is thinking it. Garrett Graham's got to do it all by himself, and now we're down by 2.
Stay in your lane, John.
Guys, come on. It's not that deep. No, it fucking is for some of us, Dean. It is that deep. I'm not gonna let us lose this game because Phil Graham's son gets to do whatever he fucking wants.
You don't know what the fuck you're talking about.
Come on, man. You fight me now.
Hey. Calm down.
We're on the same team, G. Don't you get that? You're not the only one who can play hockey. You're not the only one who's been busting their ass. And you're not the only one who wants to beat these motherfuckers. We are on the same team.
잠시 뒤 해나가 경기장에 도착합니다. 그리고 혼자 있는 게리스를 발견합니다.
Hey. Need a pep talk?
What's going on? Are you okay? Where were you?
I'm fine.
I called, but you didn't.
No, I know. I'm sorry. I should have texted. I was dealing with something that kind of took over for a minute there. But I'm here now.
Are you dealing with what? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Okay?
해나는 경기에 대해 물어봅니다.
Okay. Focus up. Graham, what's going on out there?
Everything. I'm playing like shit. Getting pressured like crazy. Making stupid mistakes. Everybody's counting on me to be in control. But I just got in a stupid fight with Logan. Because...
Your dad's here.
With Cindy.
해나는 언제까지 폴의 그늘에서 살 수 없다며 그를 벗어나는 첫 발로 오늘 시합에서 승리하자고 말합니다.
And as for everything else, we can just start with the small stuff and work your way up.
Small stuff?
Yeah, well, whatever that means for hockey. Guess the small stuff could be stop playing like shit.
Okay, yeah, I can do that. Delaney's kicked my ass. That guy's a fucking monster.
Hey, Graham. I love you.
I love you too.
Graham and Delaney meet center ice, ready to start the final period.
What? Nothing to say this time?
Hey, that hit was bullshit, man. You all right?
Yeah. Let's go.
I got you.
Hawks in their own zone. Vickers forecheck, recover the puck, and get it back to the point. Clutch deflection by Tucker gets the puck back to Graham, but can he get past Delaney? Graham puts on the brakes, spins and drops to Tucker. Tucker shoots! Scores! Hawks goal!
환상적인 득점으로 흐름을 가져오는 호크스. 아직 시간이 있습니다.
Coming out of the last timeout with 2 minutes left, it's looking real good for the Hawks. Graham and Logan have been having a blast out there. We love that for them. And more importantly, we love it for me.
That's what I'm talking about.
Let's fucking go, baby. Any final words of wisdom, Cap?
Let's win this fucking thing.
Let's go! Let's go!
This is it, folks. It's looking like the last face-off of the game.
Hey, man. Everything they say is true. Playing against you has been really fun.
Yeah, all right.
Graham, you know what's gonna be even better than me beating you?
What's that?
Beating you in front of that lying slut.
Aren't you gonna yell at me or something?
Why would I yell at you if I need you to actually hear me?
Coach.
Garrett, you're on the brink of greatness. But I can't help you get there if you're not in it for the right reasons. And after that hot-headed bullshit, I'm not sure that you are. Either way, I won't condone that kind of behavior on my ice. As of now, you're suspended for 4 games. Garrett.
No, we have an agreement. I don't win, you don't talk to me.
All right, clearly this is an exception.
Move.
No, hang on, just listen. I'm proud of you.
What?
That was some tough old school hockey.
I just got suspended. 4 games.
Yeah, that is not ideal. But hey, it happens, right? You get worked up, you lose your cool. Part of the game. But shit will rain down, though. NCAA will be on your ass. But don't worry. I'll call the Bruins. I'll take care of this. No one will keep Phil Graham's son off the ice.
So that's it, huh?
Excuse me?
As long as I have Graham on my back, I can just beat people up with no consequences for the rest of my life. Like you.
게릿은 자신과 엄마에게 폭력을 일삼았던 폴이 아무런 책임을 지지 않은 것처럼 자신은 그렇게 되고 싶지 않다고 말합니다.
I don't want to hear what a terrible dad I was for making you tough. For wanting you to have the best.
Oh, fuck you. You don't want the best for me. It was never about me.
Of course it was. You're about to play for the Bruins. I made that happen. You can hate the name on the back of your jersey all you want, but it doesn't make you better than me. It just makes you ungrateful.
I will never be like you.
You already are.
차로 돌아갑니다.
What the hell, Garrett?
I really can't do this right now. Can you please just get in the car?
No, what was that?
Are you serious? You're mad at me?
게릿은 딜레이니가 가해자인 걸 왜 말하지 않았냐고 물어봅니다. 하지만 해나는 그것보다 게릿이 이성을 잃고 기회를 밟아버린 것이 너무나 속상했습니다.
Garrett, you lost your shit on him.
You didn't hear what he said.
I know what he fucking said. What, did he call me a whore? A liar? That I wanted it? Who cares? I heard it every day in high school.
I wasn't just gonna stand there and listen. I was fucking defending you.
Well, I didn't ask you to do that. I didn't want you to. I didn't want anyone to. People in Ransom didn't just turn on me, Garrett. They turned on my family. My parents lost friends. My dad got fired. You want to know why I didn't tell you? It's because every time I tell someone the truth, it fucks everything up. It ruins people's lives. And it happened again.
No, my life isn't.
No, tell me you didn't just put your season at risk. Your future with the Bruins. How do you think that makes me feel? You blow this all up for me.
What do you want me to say, Hannah? Do you want me to apologize? Say I'm sorry? I'm not. I could face that asshole 100 times, and 100 fucking times I would beat the shit out of him again.
Yeah, well, that scares me, Garrett. It scares me that you would risk everything for me when I'm telling you it's not what I want. I worked so fucking hard to put it all behind me.
이때 해나의 말에 머리가 곤두서는 게릿.
I scare you?
What? No, what? Of course not.
폴의 말이 맞았습니다. 이미 게릿은 폴을 닮아가고 있었습니다.
Fuck. My dad was right.
You what?
This is who I am, Hannah. This is just how I'm programmed.
No, you're not. You're not Phil.
I am. I fucking am. You know, maybe not right now, but someday, you're gonna look at me the same way Cindy looked at me. And that would kill me, Hannah.
Garrett. Garrett!
No, I'm not good for you. You shouldn't be. This is over. This needs to be over.
해나는 자전거를 타며 이 슬픔을 잊어보려고 합니다. 하지만 매번 관계가 엉망이 되어버린 그녀의 삶처럼 또 넘어지고 마는 해나.
Mom.
Anne?
Is something wrong?
Yeah, my bike. My bike is wrong.
Okay, we can fix the bike.
I don't think we can, Mom.
She okay?
Okay, tell me.
Why can't we fix your bike?
Because I lost my scholarship.
I'm gonna need you to connect some dots, honey.
No, I wasn't gonna tell you because I wanted to figure it out on my own. So I was gonna win the pop showcase and get another scholarship. But Garrett and I broke up because he played St. A's and he got into a fight and it's all my fault and now I have to walk home.
Okay, breathe.
Breathe. So, a lot to unpack there. Let's start with the small stuff and work our way up, okay? First off, let us figure out the money. We always do. Don't worry about the grant. We will find a way for you to be a Briar next semester.
No, how can I not worry about it when it's my fault? I'm the reason that you can't afford it in the first place. Like, I'm the reason for the therapy bills and the lawyer. Garrett, I ruined your lives, and I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
What did you do wrong?
What?
Well, if you're feeling guilty, then it must mean that you did something wrong. So, what is it exactly?
I should have.
You went to a party, Sweet Pea. You were a high school kid who had a drink. That's all. You didn't do anything wrong, Hannah. That night and everything that happened after, that is not on you. There's nothing that you could have or should have done. And as far as ruining our lives, I am fine, and so is your dad. Despite being terrible at euchre.
Yeah, he really is so bad.
He's the worst. But I love him, and we love you. So will you let us do our jobs and take care of you? Are you nodding?
Yeah, I'm nodding.
Good.
So?
I'm out 4 games.
Yo, what's going on with you, bro? Where'd that come from?
I don't want to talk about it.
You never do. Yeah, I just thought that, maybe. For a second there, I thought we were on the same team again.
두 사람은 이별로 힘든 시간을 보냅니다. 이때 그들의 마음을 위로해 주는 건 바로 음악이었죠. 하지만 집안 곳곳에는 서로에 대한 흔적이 남아 있었고 좋은 추억이었기에 혹은 아직 잊고 싶지 않기에 그들은 서로의 흔적을 버리질 못합니다. 이때 게릿은 폭력에 대한 추가 징계 심의가 열립니다. 그리고 이 자리에서 또 다른 문제가 발생합니다. 미국은 대학 선수가 프로팀과 접촉하는 걸 아주 심각한 시선으로 바라봅니다. 그런데 게릿이 아버지와 함께 프로팀에 들러 잠시 빙판에 올라갔던 영상이 발견되죠.
According to this video, posted on your own social media account, it appears you participated in a professional Bruins practice.
That video was taken after practice.
Perhaps, but that is not at all clear in what we see here. How would it look if we were to bend the rules for you, Mr. Graham?
호크스는 엄청난 페널티를 받게 됩니다.
It is therefore our ruling that Briar forfeits all games played thus far.
What? You can't do that.
Garrett.
Which takes your current standing from 13 wins, 3 losses, and 1 tie to 0 wins, 17 losses, and 0 ties.
They're gonna fucking hate me.
They're gonna be upset. Yeah. Why'd you do it, Garrett?
Bruins invited me.
That's not what this is about. Not really. Why did you attack him like that?
It's not my story to tell, Coach.
끝까지 해나에 대한 비밀을 지켜주는 게릿.
What kind of hockey player do you want to be? The hothead who hit Delaney? I have no interest in coaching that guy. I want to coach players who love the game the way I do, who go out on the ice because every fiber of their being wants to be there. You gotta love it, Garrett. Do you love it?
코치님의 질문에 대답하지 못하는 게릿. 사실 그도 자신이 하키를 좋아하는지 무엇 때문에 빙판에 오르는지 깨닫지 못하고 있었죠.
You explain to me how we make the Frozen Four from last place. Yeah, you're right. No Garrett, no Birdie.
동료들은 남은 경기를 모두 승리하면 챔피언 결정전에 출전할 수 있는 가능성이 있다고 말합니다. 하지만 문제는 무려 2명의 주전 선수가 빠지는 겁니다.
Tuck, you and I can hold it down without a strong center, but we need a solid D-line. Dean, you can't do it alone. We need a new Birdie. There was this kid at open tryouts last year. Remember? Tore up the ice. Crazy fast defenseman.
Yeah, Hunter something,
Yeah.
right?
Davenport. Hunter Davenport.
Fuck no.
What?
No. Fuck that guy.
Why? Because he outskated you?
He didn't outskate me. No, he kind of did, bro.
그런데 디는 이 테스트를 받은 헌터란 선수가 마음에 들지 않았는지 그를 영입하는 걸 격렬하게 반대합니다.
Yeah, the reason is that he's a selfish dick with a piss poor attitude, and I'm not fucking playing with him. But just drop it. I'm serious.
존은 줄스에게 헌터와 딘이 어떤 악연이 있는지 물어봅니다.
They're both bougie bitches who vacation in the Hamptons, so it could be any number of things. All I know for sure is Hunter went to high school with Dean's sister.
Fuck, Summer?
The one and only.
That's not good, man.
Look, okay, I don't care. If we're gonna have a shot at fixing Garrett's mess, we need him. You tracked him down, yeah?
Yeah.
Good. Let's reach out.
해나는 이별의 아픔 때문일까요? 자신의 감정을 가사로 옮기기 시작합니다. 그리고 노래를 불러보는데 결과물이 꽤 괜찮았죠.
What is that? It's beautiful.
엘리는 방금 노래가 마치 테일러 스위프트 같았다며 칭찬을 하고 해나는 자신과 게릿의 상황을 정확하게 상담하기 위해 과거의 사건을 조심히 고백하려 합니다.
I'm gonna tell you something, but I really don't want you to look at me differently, or treat me differently, or hate me for not telling you sooner.
Hey,
Okay?
I would never.
You say that, but a lot of people did. Remember my friend from high school, the one who was roofied, and all the stuff that happened after.
You're the friend.
잠깐, 엘리는 모든 걸 알고 있었습니다. 언제나 자신이 진실을 털어놓으면 모든 관계가 안 좋게 끝났는데 엘리는 아니었습니다. 해나의 징크스는 예전부터 통하지 않고 있었죠.
I always knew. I thought you'd tell me when you were ready.
You're my favorite person ever.
Right back at you, babe. So what does this have to do with writer's block?
I haven't been able to write lyrics since. I didn't want to be the girl who was raped. I want to be this girl. The girl who wrote this song.
가사 속 아름다운 이야기는 힘들고 고된 삶을 살아오며 변한 해나의 아름다운 모습이라는 엘리.
The Hannah that I love
is that girl. And this girl. Never forget that, okay? You are everything.
해나는 이제 다시 가사를 씁니다. 그리고 새로운 노래에 하키 시합 소음을 넣고 싶어 줄스를 찾아가 부탁합니다.
These hockey sounds will sound so cool in the mix.
Alright. Totally. We got some good ones.
그때 게릿과 마주치는 해나.
He's been sneaking in after practice. He skates these pensive little circles around the ice. It's hard to watch.
게릿은 꽤 힘든 시기를 보내는 것 같습니다.
Hey.
Hey. Why are you...
Jules was helping me with the song.
Yeah?
Yeah. You kind of helped me come up with the idea, so thanks, I guess.
Are you dropping a diss track or?
No. No, you just reminded me of who I used to be.
게릿은 자신의 고민을 조심히 털어놓습니다.
I'm thinking about quitting.
Hockey?
이젠 의미를 잃어버린 게릿.
I don't know if I'm playing because I want to prove that I'm not like my dad, or I want to prove that I am like my dad, or because I'm not good at anything else. But I don't know.
You once told me that you'd be relieved if you couldn't play anymore.
게릿은 폴처럼 은퇴를 하면 해방된 기분이 들 것 같다고 말했죠. 하지만 아니었습니다.
And now you can't. And that means you could be anywhere, doing anything. But you're not. You're here, on the ice, skating. And for what it's worth, you do have a good reason to play. Like, it's not your dad. It's the guy on your right. Who's always had your back. Even when you're being an asshole.
Graham and Logan have been having a blast out there. We love that for them. And more importantly, we love it for me. 2 minutes left. It's looking good. Graham and Delaney meet center ice. Ready to start?
Hey! Bring him to me! Hey! Come here! Hey! There! Look at me! Hey! I got you. I got you. Okay?
존이었습니다. 누구보다 자신을 뒤에서 챙겨주고 희생을 마다하지 않았던 친구. 존을 찾아갑니다. 그리고
What do you want, Garrett?
The, St. A's game. You pulled me off, Delaney.
Yeah.
Thank you. I blacked out.
이기적인 자신의 행동을 사과하는 게릿. 그리고 오랫동안 말하지 못한 자신의 이야기를 꺼냅니다.
I don't want to be... I don't want to be my dad. Look, I'm gonna say some things. I haven't said any of this out loud before, but I think I need to.
Okay. Yeah.
한편 엘리는 딘과 잠자리는 계속 갔지만 사귀지는 않는 애매한 사이가 됩니다. 이 모든 것은 여자가 끊이질 않는 딘을 보고 배운 것이긴 한데 문제는 시간이 지날수록 딘의 마음속에 엘리에 대한 감정이 점점 커진다는 겁니다.
I'm having a crisis. Can you keep a secret on your life?
Where's the body?
This is serious.
Okay.
틴은 자신의 감정을 친구에게 털어놓습니다. 그리고 친구는 이런 틴의 변화에 재밌어하며 너무나 간단한 해결책을 제시해 줍니다.
You fucking awesome, Dean. I know that. She knows that. Otherwise, she wouldn't be hooking up with you. So stop being chicken shit and tell her how you feel. You gotta do it fast before she goes and hooks up with some other guy.
문제는 엘리가 완전히 원나잇에 맞들려 버렸죠.
I want to have hot, meaningless sex. I do.
엘리는 한 남성을 만나 서로 전화번호와 이름을 알려주지 않는 원나잇을 합니다. 그리고 헤어지며 서로 가명만 알려줬는데 이상하게도 이 남성과 자주 마주치게 됩니다.
Carter St. James.
그렇게 카터와 잠자리를 자주 갖게 되는 엘리. 그리고 며칠 뒤 주전이 몽땅 빠진 호크스의 경기 날.
Sorry, coach. Can I?
Go ahead, Captain.
게릿은 그동안 자신이 팀을 몰아붙여놓고 혼자 흥분하여 사고를 친 걸 사과합니다. 그러면서도 자신을 비난하지 않고 주장으로 생각하는 팀원에게 고마움을 전해주죠.
You were there. You guys backed me up. That's why I love this sport. Is that it's about showing up and leaving it all out on the ice. Not for yourself, but for the guy on your right. For your brothers. I know I let you guys down. I haven't been the captain that you deserve, but until then, you guys already have a captain skating with you out there. That okay, coach?
I'm good with it. Gentlemen?
호크스는 한마음으로 움직여 어렵게 승리를 따냅니다. 그런데 오늘은 호크스에게만 중요한 날이 아니었습니다.
Hey, we won. You should come to Malone's. I want to talk to you.
No time. Hannah's doing the showcase. You have to get Garrett there.
Why?
Because they're stupid right for each other and Hannah deserves a grand romantic gesture.
So you want me to?
Now.
Hey, we don't
Gee,
clean her out.
I've never seen that. We gotta go now.
What's up?
Wellesley's doing the showcase. You gotta be there.
How do you know that?
I overheard it in the stands.
Wait, Hannah's doing the showcase? Well, we're going. When does it start?
Like now. Then we gotta hustle. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Don, come on. What's going on?
What if she doesn't want me there?
What the fuck are you talking about? Of course she wants you there.
No, she's moving on. I have to let her.
Jesus Christ. Look. You guys are perfect for each other. So whatever you did to fuck it up, just undo it.
It's not that easy. She deserves better than
No,
me.
don't fucking do that. You are not your dad, okay? So you gonna fight for her? Come on.
해나의 쇼케이스가 시작됩니다. 해나의 노래는 어려움을 딛고 일어서는 자신의 모습이 담겨 있었고 게릿과 친구들은 아름답게 성장해온 해나의 이야기를 밝은 미소로 들어줍니다.
I am the girl that I am because of the girl I used to be.
쇼케이스가 끝난 뒤 해나를 기다리고 있는 게릿.
You came.
I couldn't miss your big moment, could I?
게릿은 해나에게 자신의 마음을 전해줍니다.
You make me want to be better. To do better, and I'm going to. Just Give me another chance.
다가오는 해나.
You know, girls really hate it when guys are too available.
They do? Shit.
Yeah. Got a lot to learn here, Graham.
Do you know any good tutors?
I might.
친구들은 멀론스로 가 쇼케이스와 팀의 승리를 축하합니다.
Good game. Now I just gotta win 16 more.
Thank you for that.
그때 엘리에게 다가가는 딘.
Hey, can I get 3 shots of tequila, please?
You did a nice thing.
What?
Getting them back together.
They got themselves back together.
With help from you and me. You're welcome. I get it now. You love love.
딘의 고백에 매우 당황해하는 엘리. 그때
Allie, is that who you... Him?
No. Yes, do you know him?
딘은 카터와 아는 사이인 것 같습니다.
Dean, what the fuck are you doing here?
I heard your teammate's saving.
Yeah? Get the fuck out.
Hey, Logan, you said this was his idea?
You said what?
Dude, you didn't.
Hey, what the hell is going on here?
You weren't there? Okay, I had to make a call.
I'm not skating with this prick.
Oh, what, you scared him to dust your ass again?
Yeah. Wanna try?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah? I'd like to see you fucking try.
Guys, get the fuck out of my face.
Fucking beat!
Drama.
I knew this would get messy.
What is happening? Who is that guy?
Yeah, great question. Oh, who is that guy?
That is Hunter Davenport.
And that's our new starting line.
과연 엘리의 양다리는 어떻게 될지, 호크스는 우승을 할 수 있을지, 오프 캠퍼스 시즌 1은 이렇게 마무리됩니다.